step of backing up your data content before initiating a reset. It's crucial to back up all important data stored on your Samsung Galaxy Mod. This includes photos, videos, contacts, messages, and any other files you wish to retain. You can back up your data through Samsung Cloud, Google Drive, or by connecting your phone to a computer. Ensure the backup process is complete before proceeding to the next step to avoid data loss. Step powering off your device. Second, 10. Completely power off your Samsung Galaxy Mod. Do not simply put it into sleep mode. Press and hold the power button until the power off options appear on the screen. Select power off and wait for the device to completely shut down. This ensures a clean reset process and prevents unexpected interruptions. Step accessing recovery mode content. Once your phone is completely off, you need to access the recovery mode. This is typically done by pressing and holding a specific combination of buttons for the Samsung Galaxy Mod. This usually involves simultaneously pressing and holding the volume up button, Bixby button, and power button. Hold these buttons for several seconds until the Android recovery screen appears. You may need to briefly release and repress the buttons if the screen doesn't appear immediately. Step with selecting My Day Factory Reset content. Using the volume buttons, navigate through the options on the recovery screen until you highlight Web Data Factory Reset. Press the power button to select this option. You will then be prompted to confirm this action. Carefully review the warning message, as this will erase all data on your phone. Step confirming the reset and restarting content. Once you have confirmed the Web Data Factory Reset option, the phone will begin the process of erasing all data and resetting to factory settings. This may take several minutes. Once the process is complete, select Reboot System. Now, using the volume buttons and power button, your phone will then restart, and the reset will be complete.